Hi, what's cracking? My name is Kaede and today we got something epic to unbox. I finally got this legendary iPhone 14 and before we get into this unboxing madness, let me spill out the beans why I snagged this bad boy only now in August 2023. Here's the juicy secret. Waiting until August 2023 means I've got the juiciest version of the iPhone 14 Pro, all sleek and shiny with all the latest updates and awesomeness packed in. So enough chit chat and let's dive into unboxing. I am super excited, so let's get started. Okay. Let's see. Wow, it's the gold one. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. Look at it. Wow. This is absolutely beautiful. Feels like love at first sight. This baby is pure perfection, my friends. The glass back feels like a smooth dream and the colors are absolutely stunning. It's like holding a piece of tech magic in my hands. Whoa. Oh, by the way, just a quick fact. You're watching this jaw-dropping unboxing video with my none than other trusty sidekick iPhone 8. And I know, it's gonna be all about iPhone 14 Pro from now on, and my iPhone 8 can finally retire. Hey, and then not to forget the A16 Bionic chip is the powerhouse behind all the speed and magic. This is like really having a rocket under the hood, making everything blazing fast and so smooth. Oh my gosh! For the grand final, so let's test this Face ID. So the phone is locked right now and I'll use my face to open it. Whoa, it's literally just opened. And you guys know what? I'm happy because I don't need to insert any codes, and also if somebody takes my phone, they cannot open it. So I hope you like this unboxing video and give the video a thumbs up button, and also subscribe to my channel because I will be recording my life through this amazing, beautiful iPhone 14 Pro. So thank you so much and I'll see you in my next videos. Thank you.